Alright guys, we're back here in Redlands. This time, we brought the boys. But this adventure is going to be a little different. One thing that we've been doing lately is we had the kids... Well, I guess Irene was already doing it, and then she found out Elijah and Joshua were playing Pokemon, or Pokemon Go. So now all the kids, and they even got me included, starting to do it. So we're here to have a little hike adventure, but also we found out that there's a lot of whatever little spinny thingies that give you the Pokeballs things that are here. What are they?
Pokestops.
Pokestops. There's a bunch of Pokestops here, and a bunch of exotic Pokemon. So we're gonna check it out. So if you're into Pokemon or Pokemon Go or whatever it's called, you might want to check out this place. This might be the place for you.
Sadly, it is not sponsored.
Brought to you by ourselves.
Sadly, it's not sponsored.
Yeah. Which they would be more than happy to sponsor. If you're out there and you want to sponsor this video, Pokeballs, Pokemon or whatever, hit us up. Yeah, so we're going to go on this hike. We're going to have some fun with the boys. We said we wanted to bring them here, so we are here. There's still a lot of water here. Everything's still very green. I will be having them put their phones away so we can enjoy nature once we get further in there, but we also are here to go after those Pokemon.
it's a bee right there.
What is it?
I see it.
A bee?
Yeah. It's
Oh, there he goes.
just don't disturb. Now he's just water.
Pokemon, gotta catch them all. You gonna sing a song for us? Go. Come on.
Mommy,
Doo-doo.
do.
Doo-doo. Come on, they're leaving us.
Baby,
That's a good song. I like that.
doo-doo, doo-doo,
Doo-doo.
doo-doo, doo-doo.
What is Elijah doing?
Oh my gosh, tarantula!
No way.
Not
Ew. It's gotta be like a gopher.
the camera over here. We got you targeted.
Come out
We
with your
have you on
hands up.
spotlight.
Come out with your hands up. You're surrounded.
You're surrounded. Is it the one I was looking at? No.
Is that who came out? An ant? Crazy, I can't find him on the camera. Oh, there he is.
You're surrounded.
The helicopter got you in sight.
It's his partner. It's his partners. Look, there's three
more?
of them. Yeah, there's one right here. We're
Right there.
sending down a
We need backup.
I could do it. I could. Let me break the tape. Let me break it.
Oh, you didn't kill it. It's on your hand. It's gonna bite you.
It flew.
Oh.
Where did it go?
You failed, RJ.
Oh, it's right there. Kill it. Kill it. Get it. We're sending down a bomb. Oh, you killed it.
Oops.
He does less. It's his partner in crime. Stop.
All right, be nice to the ants. I know he's not really killing it.
Whoa, he's right there.
Or is he?
He's ready. Oh, look, another hole. Rain down fire. You're going to keep going. Oh, Dad's already over there.
He left us.
Rain down fire.
He left us. The leader of the pack is nowhere to be found.
So we're taking a break. If you've seen our last video, what tree is this, babe?
There was a festival of bees.
No bees here today.
No bees today, so we're enjoying the bench. What are we having for snacks, guys?
Pistachios.
Pistachios, beef jerky.
Again?
Oh, these are biodegradable, by the way.
Yes, they are.
It's good for them. So, this man, don't know.
All right, so we just finished our snacks and water. We're all rested. You guys ready to keep going?
Yep.
Yes.
All right, so we do have a little message. This video was brought to you by. Go ahead, RJ.
Thank you for giving our tomato.
Who? Nino hooked it up, huh?
We had pistachio, Pokemon, gummy bears, peanuts, and some beef jerky.
Nice. Which the Pokemon fruit snacks fit in perfect with today's theme, which
Yeah.
is the. You know, they say Pokemon Go, but this whole trip, every time we go after Pokemon, we stop. We're not going. All right, guys.
Dad joke.
Dad joke. That's the title of this one. Pokemon dad joke.
All right, let's go.
All right, guys, let's go.
They're all battling or something.
Okay, make sure we got all our trash picked up.
Nothing.
Let's go.
Like what are you using? That big thingy. I think so.
He's doing a raid in Pokemon Go.
All right.
Yes, I do. What the? Another bat?
Kill him.
That's what it was.
Want some nuts, Dad?
No, thank you, dude. I'm good.
Oh. Where? Ooh, can I talk? No, never mind.
It'll be a cool picture if they got on one side of each.
That?
Yeah.
Are you recording, Dad?
Mm-hmm.
Go, Elijah. Get up there.
Where?
Up on one side of the tree.
They go up there. To the
Here, go. I'll finish the rest.
push back.
Oh, stand at the base of the tree, RJ.
Like right
No,
there.
let him climb it.
Wait, sit in the middle.
It's the only way he learns.
Yeah.
How to climb is that you climb it. That's funny. There you go, RJ.
You got it, dude? You a little scared?
Someone go at least behind this, just in case he falls. Or one of us.
Okay, smile, guys. Let me take a picture real quick. 1, 2, smile. Smile. Josh, look at me.
Help RJ, but he's scared.
I tried to turn around.
Here.
You shall not pass.
take your shoes off over there? No.
Just go this way.
It's too cold?
I know.
Get in there.
No.
Try it.
It's not right. It's not going right now. No.
Oh, I keep on sinking. Look, RJ.
Look what I found. It's
Wow.
a white rock like yours.
Look, Dad.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
This is cool. I feel like I am.
Do you want it?
I
Yeah, go ahead
feel
and put it
like
over there.
It's Luca.
Want to put it right in
You
front
feel
of
like
me?
Luca?
Yeah.
That's
I'm
cool.
gonna go upstream with Joshua.
Take RJ with you.
Come on, RJ, you want to come?
Maybe it's cold.
Yeah, it's gonna be like this the entire time.
Oh no.
Don't worry, your feet will get numb and then you won't feel it.
I found it.
That's good parenting right here.
Thank you.
Can you bring my shoes that close to the water? I'm trying to get in
Josh, that's what's gonna happen. My eyes. My eyes.
It's time to get going. We were hanging out by the creek, enjoying the time, and then we got that text message. What was that message, guys?
Pancakes at Grandma Judy's.
Grandma Judy texted us saying that she made some pancakes and some bacon, eggs ready to go on the side.
Yeah, that sounds amazing right now.
Yeah. So like, all right,
Let's go, we can go.
nature called, we answered. Now our stomachs are calling. We gotta answer. We must answer. All right, guys. So we're gonna wrap this up here. So just want to say thank you to everybody out there. Please like and subscribe. Turn on those notifications. And just follow us as we find true north.
Thank you, Richie.
Thank you, Richie, for our snacks.
Nice.